there's a couple of things you can do to make sure that you get the sharp kind of focus look that you're after. If you're using a mirrorless camera like this one, you've probably got focus peaking built in, and that simply puts a colorful highlight around the edges of your picture, around the edges of the sharp things in your picture, to show you exactly what's in focus. It's a great tool. If you're using a DSLR, you may have a focus confirmation light inside your viewfinder. You probably haven't paid attention to it when you're using autofocus, but if you just switch your lens to manual focus, you'll see if it tells you when things are in sharp focus. It usually turns on a little circle of green light in one of the corners of your viewfinder if your camera has that function. Another thing you can do with the DSLR is switch to live view, zoom in close, and make sure that things are looking sharp. That's best done on a tripod, but I'm just gonna handhold right now. And especially when hand holding, I'm gonna bracket my focus. After each shot, I'm just gonna give it a slight twist, and it's very slight when I'm doing close-up work. And that's going to ensure that I get a couple of different pictures, and one of them is gonna have just the right kind of focus on there for me. I even do that when I'm shooting close-up with autofocus, because the camera can't always choose exactly the right thing, the right distance for focusing on. So you can bracket your focus and ensure that you get the sweet spot in focus in every shot you make.